Hey everyone, it's Saruke, and today we're doing the plan with me for June. And let's just have a quick flip through of May. I feel very unmotivated today, so I'm sorry if I'm not super excited and super joyous. I want to get this done. So this is what May looked like. I did a little bit of a different design. I've been doing wreaths, and I tried something different. I don't like it. Like the illustration itself, really pretty. I like it, but I want to go back to wreaths. Wreaths, yes. I had some shimmer on top of this. So here's my habit tracker and my art projects. We're on the 27th of May today. Look at me, keeping up with my habit tracker for once. I'm not sure if I'll finish that one art project I still have left. It's kind of a big piece. I want to, but we'll see. I did change up how I do my dailies, and this is probably my favorite thing that I've done. Previously, they looked like this, and there's nothing wrong with this, but I just wanted a different orientation for things. I really like the whole 3 days per page. So this is what they looked like for May. And I'm probably going to switch up the colors for June. I have been using these two colors in particular. These are the Muji. These are the Muji fine liners. 0.38 says on the cap. As those are the ones I've been using to do the whole text, and then I've been putting washi tape on the separators. Same washi tape that I used on the monthly. So this is what my pages have been looking like. I've had a lot of work. I have a cold again. I'm not sure if you can tell, but that's also another reason why I'm kind of low energy. So this is the last week we're on now, or the last spread in this, where I cover the last bit of the month. And this is the way it's been looking. And I'm probably going to continue using this daily, weekly setup for a while because I really like it. The one thing I don't like is that because the tape stacks up, you get this sort of ridge in the middle of the book, but I am more than halfway now, so I'm just it's gonna have to be okay. So here is June. I haven't done anything illustration-wise. I've just put up the bare minimum. But I wanted to do my intro at least now, and I'm gonna sit down and sketch. I've actually never done this in a video, so we'll see what it turns out to be like. But I'm gonna do the sketch for my June wreath and some small doodles maybe for these pages. We'll see. Painting you once bought. Further down the line there could be hope. A girl whose greatness will prove something more. A beauty no one will know, but in the present you have me. A flower, a fallen seed. Me. I'm the first, but not the last, 'cause I know it's coming. Hey baby, won't you let me come and kiss you all night long, all night long. Don't worry, I won't tell nobody that you are the one until dawn. So far from purpose, you can't ignore. My wisdom's flown, my sense is gone. So take my voice. I hate my neighbors who mow their lawn 3 times a week. It's so annoying. I wish they would just let it grow, 'cause it's driving me insane. Hey baby, won't you stop that loud machine and take a break? Just take a short break. The grass looks fine. I don't understand why you mind so much. Mind so much. It's really, I hate it. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Okay, I'm gonna not call this finished just yet because I realized I keep forgetting the markers. So, you're still going. Let's see. So I'm gonna mark up, oh, that's pale. What in the world? Let's grab some of the crimson instead, I think. Okay, that works better. Why is it so dark? What was I gonna say? Yeah, I'm almost finished. I realized doing the weeks or the weekly spread wasn't very smart at the pace I'm going anyway, because it needs to dry. Wow, can't talk, and I don't have the patience for that right now. So I'm just gonna leave it for now and come back later. I tried using my cheap, the Green Sisters, oh gosh, that was the purple one. I tried using my cheap Green Sisters palette today, and it's fine. It's definitely not as vibrant as some of my other paints. How the heck do I get that more with green? Yeah, and they don't mix well. This one is not gonna look nice. That's my fault. I should have just grabbed a different color, honestly. They probably stain well though, because they're so cheap. But yeah, this is what the Habit and Art projects page looks like, and here is what the dailies are going to be looking like. This entire spread is going to be pink, and then when I move on to the next 6 days, that is going to be purple, just like this tape here. I realized, here are the tapes I used, by the way. I used this one for my little accent on this page, and it's basically just, it's flowers, leaves, there's some ice cream and lollies here, so I thought that would be nice. These are wide tapes that I have to cut myself, and I'm basically just going to have to prep all the weeks ahead of time, and I don't have the energy for that right now. So I'm just going to do that at a later time, but at least you've been able to see what my dailies look like and how I make them. I'm not sure how I feel about my choice of purple. I used to have a purple pen, but I broke it last winter, and I haven't purchased a new one. And I'm not sure if Muji has purple. I'm gonna look for it because I want one. Of course, I got impatient and smudged everything
the metallic one in particular, because it's so thick in comparison to basically a gel pen. But yeah, that wasn't dry at all. Why did I do that? Let's just do that. So, okay. So June is very simple, but that's the thing about the bullet journal. It's in all its basic form, it's supposed to be a simple way of rapidly logging things you need to do and get done. So, thank you so much for watching and listening to my neighbor mowing their lawn now. I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed and maybe even planned along with me. Let me know in comments down below. Until next time, keep on scribbling, friends. Bye!